Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name's Lauren, also known as Rosella Beauty on my socials. I hope you enjoy this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a full face of glam makeup. I hope you enjoy this. Let's get going. Right, so I'm going to apply my foundation. I've got the Clinique Even Better foundation. This is in the shade Ivory 03. And I'm going to take a damp sponge. This is a beauty based sponge and I'm just going to apply it to my face. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Like so. And then just work it into my face. The reason I like this foundation is because it keeps your skin looking quite natural and radiant. Now I'm going to go in with my Magic Star concealer. This is in shade C8. I'm just going to go under the eyes and the chin and forehead. And again, I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. And now I'm just going to use the Magic Star setting powder in Fair just to set under the eyes. And this powder has quite a strong scent to it, so if you're not into scents, it's probably not the best for you. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Hoola by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to just take this angled brush and apply it here and the forehead. And then I'm going to take the Dahlia Beauty Beautaniq blush and just apply that to the cheeks above the bronzer. For highlighter, I've got the Get Wet Bperfect. This is in Skin Sheen, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks, cheekbones and my nose. I'm going to move on to my brows. So I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I'm going to take a little bit of this product on my spoolie and just work it through the brows in an upwards direction. Just going to do the other brow. Just pushing the hairs into place so they stay. And I'll just let them dry for a minute or two so I can apply my other brow product. Now I've got the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty. And I'm going to take the pencil and just fill out my brows in upward strokes. Show you the other one close up. Okay, and now I'm just going to take the other end, which is an ink stain, and do a few hair strokes throughout both the brows. that is the brows done. Okay, so I have the Plouise base brush, and I've got the Plouise base in shade Rumour 02. I'm just popping a bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to carve out the brows, so just follow the line underneath the brows. I'm just going to take the rest of that base and coat my eyelids with it. And that's the base applied, ready for the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Live with Love Morphe palette, which I haven't used yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out. So I'm going to take this pinky shade here, Seek Change, and I'm just going to apply it along the crease. In that kind of shape, and then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend the edges. And then I will repeat the other side. Try and get them as even as possible. Okay, and then I am going to take the shade Make Space, so this blue, and I'm going to take a little bit just here. Just going to make sure they're blended well together. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and some eye makeup remover, and I'm going to cut the crease. Usually cut it about there because I have hooded eyes, so I do it just above my, a bit above my natural crease. And then going back in with my base brush, I'm just going to take some more of the Plouise base. I'm going to follow a line the crease that I've just cut with the Q-tip. Now I'm going to go back with Make Space, and I'm going to apply it here on the cut crease. Right, next I'm going to go in with the Kaleidoscope Dreams by Makeup Obsession in Tiffany, and I'm going to take the shade Fetch, which is this pink, and I'll just apply that to the other side of the crease. And I'm going to take Catfish, which is this purple, and I am going to blend the blue and the pink together. Take another Q-tip and tidy up the edge here. So I'm going to blend that pink into the crease like that. Now I'm just going to add this little blue shimmer, and I'm going to just apply a little bit to the over the top of the other blue. Then I'm going to take Luna and just apply it on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Seek Change from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to apply it under the eyes. I will go back in with the blue shade Make Space. I've got the KVD Cake Pencil, so I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. And then I'm going to blend it in with the shadow. Now I'm going to go in with the KVD Tattoo Liner and just do a thin line along the top of my eyelid. I'm going to take the shade Spark Ideas, and I'm just going to apply it along my brow bone and also my inner corners to highlight. Okay, so I've just tidied up the edges. I'm just going to apply my lashes. I've got the Dark Matte Lashes by Unicorn Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply these with the Duo Lash Glue. So I always apply the glue, so just a thin layer along the band. And whilst I wait for them to get tacky, I'm just going to apply my mascara, and I've got the Benefit Cosmetics Aerial Magnet Mascara. So it has a brush like this. I'm just going to coat my lashes. And I'm just going to apply my lashes. Right, so that's the lashes applied. Obviously, the lashes completely make a look. And that's the eyes finished. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil. This is a burgundy one. I'm just going to line my lips. So I've lined them quite thick, and now I'm going to take the KVD Double Dare lipstick and apply this inside. Just to get that ombre kind of effect. And because it's not actually that noticeable, I'm just going to go back in with the lip pencil and give it a bit more depth. So this is the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this video and maybe learnt something, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!